Hi there, this is your friend Virendra dear. Early in the morning on the top of a hill with great thought, with great ideas, which can really revolutionize your mind, heart, and soul. And the greatest thought is that thought in the mind has made us. What we are by thought was wrought and built. I really let you know what is the discovery and perception of the greats, that we are ourselves the maker of ourselves. We are the master of our fate and we are the captain of our soul by virtue of the thought we choose and encourage. And also we should learn that our mind is the master weaver both to the inner garment of character and the outer garment of the circumstances. And maybe that because of our ignorance, thoughtlessness and indolence, we have been groping in the darkness, defeats, failures, frustrations, agony, pain and all sorts of heartaches. Now we should start thinking with a positive mind and start setting a definite purpose in our life, being guided by the best brains who really love us and with tremendous belief and faith, persevering, persisting, striving, seeking and finding the new ways in a form of the practical plan of action and becoming a person of our dream. Dream lofty dreams, and as you dream, so shall you be one day. To desire is to achieve, to aspire is to attain. And if you are true to your burning desire with a hot, white intensity of obsession of your life, you are bound to be crowned with success and you are going to be person of your dream. But a word of caution. If you have really learned that to be crowned with success, you must have a definite purpose in life. You must have tremendous belief and faith in yourself. You must take personal initiative. You must have a positive mental attitude and tremendous belief and faith and confidence in your own ability and capability. But one thing you must not forget, you have to make alliance with the person who loves you and cares for you. Only listen to their opinions, their ideas, their guidelines, because these are the people who have succeeded in life and they have tremendous belief and faith and experience in their own success and achievements. They will make you very proud of yourself and in no time you can become successful too. And there is a word of caution. If you go through books, you will see there are millions and millions of books written on inspirations, motivation. If you go through YouTube and watch, you will see there are millions and millions of videos on inspirations and motivation. That is a walking encyclopedia. Too much of knowledge everywhere. Everywhere you will find people have opinions, people have ideas, people have different thoughts, and the people who is running after such knowledge, they don't have their own thought, they don't have their own belief and faith, and they are lost in the wilderness and they lose their self-belief and self-confidence. They want more and more to know. Unfortunately, they do very little because they don't have self-belief and self-confidence. I tell you, and backed by the thoughts and philosophy of the most successful people on earth, that don't listen to anyone else. Listen to your inner conviction with a strongest and toughest mind, with a dogged determination, with iron willpower. Believe in yourself, in your own ability and capability, and just keep on striving, seeking and finding your goal, and you will be crowned with success. Don't deviate from your path. You may be meeting walls of granite, defeats, treat them all temporary. Hurdles, misfortune, adversities, reverses, they will definitely be blocking your way, but have the courage, the inner conviction, the willpower, and you will tread down such difficulties and dangers without any problem, because you never lose your belief and faith. You know it very well, because you will succeed. You are never quitting. A quitter never wins. A winner never quits. That is only my message early in the morning. Believe in yourself, in your God-gifted power of the brain. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve for you. And remember, life's battle don't always go to the strong or the fast man, but sooner or late, the man who wins is the man who thinks one can, he can, she can. You can do it if you believe you can. But stop reading too much. Stop acquiring too much of knowledge. Stop running after people and place to place. I know a lot of people, they don't believe in themselves and they believe in everybody else, and they are the most failure, they are the mediocres, they are the people who are living a life of miseries, poverty, unsuccessfulness, and every miseries fall on them. Believe in yourself. Learn few things in life from the best, from the great, and practice in life. It is the practicality, not the theoretical information. If you acquire those enough knowledge and you never put intelligently in the organized form in your day-to-day life, this knowledge has no meaning in life. No little, practice more, think more, act, act, act in your daily life with tremendous belief and faith, and then you will become an example. You will be leading lights for the millions ignorant people. That is the way it should be. But remember, we don't have wings, we cannot soar, but we have feet to scale and climb by slow degrees and more the cloudy summits of our time. Be patient. Be not impatient in delay, but wait. And as one who understands, when his spirit rises and commands, the gods are ready to obey. Because the human will that forces unseen, the offspring of a deathless soul, can hew a way to any goal, the walls of granite intervene. Remember it. Our strength grows when we go through difficulties and dangers. Every adversity and misfortune brings with it the seeds of an equivalent benefit. So never be timid and cower. Never bend before reverses, oppositions. In the face of tremendous and determined opposition, rise to the occasion. Put it all. The mountain will become dust. It becomes sands. It cannot block your way because you are a determined person. You want and you will have it. But believe in yourself. Develop tremendous self-confidence in your own ability and capability, in your own power of brain. Be like a bulldog. Put your teeth inside, and when you have gripped it, nothing will shake. You will conquer it. You will become master of man. You yourself. Believe in yourself. Don't listen to others. There are a lot of mediocres. Empty vessels sounds much, with a lot of opinions, lot of ideas, lot of ideals, and the fools are running after them because they don't have anything of your own. Don't do that. You have everything else, every power in your brain. Make it very firm, like rock, solid, deep-rooted in your own belief and faith. Faith in yourself. Believe in yourself, in your own purpose, in your own goal, in your own people around you who loves you. Stop reading too much. Stop listening too much. Work. Trust no future, however great. Let the dead past bury with his dead. Act in the living present. Heart within and God overhead. Victory awaits you. You can conquer it because you have the thought of Invictus. You are the master of your soul and you are alone the captain of your fate. You are the architecture of destiny. There is no external influence. Whatever picture you have got about yourself in your mind, that is going to be reflected in the world. I love you and thank you very much. Believe in yourself. Have faith in your own self. Have faith in your mastermind and his partner. Commit to your task. Waste no time listening to a lot of people. Move forward, marching towards your goal, falling, fighting, because this is the way people have reached the heights. Heights where great men, captain reached, were not attained by a sudden flight, but they, while their companions slept, were toiling upward in the night. Move forward with conviction and belief that you are going to win. Nothing can stop you. Because you want it, you will have it. Believe in yourself. Listen to yourself. Stop listening to everyone else. Cheap opinions and ideas. Lot of books, lot of thoughts, lot of videos. Stop now. Act now. Achieve what you want. Yourself. You have the power of your brain. Believe in yourself. You can do it. If you believe, you can. This belief and faith is a state of mind. It is a positive mind. Never believe that external factors can affect you. George Bernard said, people blame their conditions and circumstances for their defeats and failures, but he never believed in such thoughts. People who get onto this world, they get up and search for the congenial circumstances and conditions, and when they did not find it, they made it. Make your conditions and circumstances by your intelligence, by seeking the help of the best, and you will be a conqueror. The master of man, you yourself. Yours will be the earth and everything that's in it, and which is more, you will be a successful man, a great man, a wonderful man whose life is fragrant, joyful, giving everything to everyone. Victory awaits you. Thank you very much.